It's surprising how many of us don't know where the stop tap is inside our homes. But it's a vital bit of knowledge, and knowing where it is could save a lot of trouble and expense if something goes wrong. Your stop tap is usually found where the water supply pipe rises into your home. In many homes it'll be here under the kitchen sink or in a utility room, but it could also be located in a downstairs bathroom or garage, and if you still can't find it, ask a neighbour where theirs is. That might help. So make sure you find it, and when you do, check it works okay. You turn it clockwise to close off the water supply. If there's a problem with it, then don't put off getting it fixed. It's a vital bit of kit in your home, and you never know when you may need it. And here's a tip. If you're not at home and someone else needs to find the stop tap, why not put a label on it with your local plumber's telephone number? Easy.